Okay, now to detect a malware on your site or on the site, so we will use this. So nmap dash script, and it will be http dash malware dash host, and then put the IP address of the machine, which is like that. Okay, and it's better to have nmap dash s a small v capital, which is to service to version, to get the version of the machine. And you can see that it start scanning, and we got the following results. So you can see that here there are some information, and you can see that this RPC bind is somehow vulnerable or whatever. Okay, well, I'm not saying that Nmap is 100% accurate, but it is one of the best tools you can find out there. After all, for you as ethical hacker or as a hacker, you need to write your own tools. Depends on the targets you are attacking. Of course, I'm not saying about black hat things. I'm talking about white hat things to protect your organization or the companies or organization you are protecting or you are working with. Now, other ways actually is to use the Google malware detection. So dash script, it will be Google. It will be http dash google dash malware, and instead of typing the dash sv, which we will use the dash p, which is port 80. Okay, or we can put it as that, it will do the job. So like that, and press enter. By the way, you can see that because we are using a local machine, and this is not accessible from the world. So let's put another machine here or another IP. So let's put Amazon.com, for example, because Amazon is a competitor for Google. I'm just kidding, by the way. So here you can see that it will show us something like that. So actually it's better to have a public IP instead domain, because you know we have a load balancers and all of that stuff. So here you can see it didn't